With the world becoming more unpredictable, managing your personal finance can feel challenging, especially during geopolitical instability and volatile markets. But don't worry, today I am going to share 8 tips to help you protect your wealth and even find new opportunities. Hi everyone, I am Jitendra Shrivastav, strategist for managing and protecting your wealth. Let's dive into today's topic. Tip 1. Diversify your investments. Spread your money across different asset classes: stocks, bonds, real estate, and commodities. This reduces your risk. Also, avoid putting too much into regions or industries directly impacted by global tensions. Tip 2. Maintain an emergency fund. Make sure you have 6 to 12 months of living expenses in a liquid fund or savings account in safe geography. This is your financial safety net during downturns or job loss. Tip 3. Consider defensive investments. In times of uncertainty, sectors like healthcare, utilities, consumer goods, and staples tend to perform much better. Gold and other safe haven assets can also offer protection when markets are unstable. Tip 4. Review your risk tolerance. How much risk are you comfortable with? If market swings are making you nervous, it might be time to move some investments into more stable options like government bonds or debt mutual funds. Tip 5. Hedge against currency risk. If you have concentrated investments, currency fluctuations can affect your returns. Consider hedging strategies to protect your portfolio, especially during periods of geopolitical instability. Tip 6. Focus on your long-term goals. Markets often recover from short-term shocks, so don't get caught up in the day-to-day market movements. Stick to your long-term financial plan and avoid making reactive decisions. Tip 7. Rebalance your portfolio regularly. Check your portfolio to ensure it aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. During volatile times, rebalancing can help keep your investments on track. Avoid over rebalancing as well. And finally, tip 8. Stay informed but don't panic. Yes, keep up with global news, but don't make impulsive decisions based on headlines. If you are unsure, consult an experienced and qualified financial advisor for guidance. By following these 8 tips and staying disciplined, you can protect your personal finance during turbulent times and even find new opportunities. Now, last but not the least, here is a simple financial quote for you. Wealth isn't built in calm waters. In times of uncertainty, the key to financial security is not reaction, but preparation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more personal finance advice. Stay healthy and wealthy as a smart investor. See you soon.